Today, I will teach you the ultimate packing guide. First, your favorite suitcase, your passport, prepare your credit card, and some cash. And that's it, packing complete. Great job! Now you can enjoy your trip to Japan. Do you know about Don Quijote? From clothing, toiletries, and the latest gadgets to Japanese snacks. Everything you need for traveling in Japan can be found right here, the world's strongest discount store. That is Japan's Don Quijote. Don Quijote is characterized by a lineup of products with higher quality than their prices suggest. That is exactly why you can enjoy a trip to Japan, even if you bring nothing. I will teach you Donki hacks that will satisfy both those who already know Don Quijote and those making their debut. Let's head to Donki right away. Carry your empty suitcase and pass through customs without any problems. Your destination is the tax-free powerhouse Don Quijote. They are everywhere, such as Shibuya and Narimasu in Tokyo, or Dotonbori and Umeda in Osaka. Now, let's look at which corners you should actually make your purchases in. Here is a general packing list. Let's take a look right away. First is the clothing section. You can purchase undershirts and t-shirts here. Clothes and underwear suited to the season can also be obtained here. Having relaxwear will make your stay at the hotel more comfortable. Special information for those who watch this video. What I recommend right now is the 999 jeans, Sankyu jeans. These are jeans so meticulously made that you wouldn't believe they cost only 999 yen. Please take them as a companion for a comfortable trip. Next is the hygiene and care products section. A wide range of products, including skincare, can be purchased here. Since some hotels have extensive amenities, I recommend buying toothbrushes, care products, and razors only when needed. Introducing a few care products you should definitely check out. The sunlight gets strong in May in Japan, so care is essential. Dalba White Truffle First Spray Serum, a dual-layer mist that provides easy hydration. Just shake and use. It can be used over makeup to combat dryness during the day. If you are looking for a men's facial cleanser, I recommend this. Gatsby Facial Wash Perfect Scrub. It is a moisturizing cleanser that washes gently while protecting moisture. Next is the Gadget Corner. Many necessary gadget items, such as mobile batteries, are sold here. The key is to purchase items that fit Japanese power outlets. From here, let's look at 5 recommended items unique to sightseeing in Japan. 1. Easy to remove shoes plus clean socks. There are many occasions to take off your shoes, such as at temples, Japanese restaurants, and traditional inns. Wearing clean socks is highly recommended. 2. Coin case. When you use cash, small coins like 1 yen and 5 yen will pile up quickly. A coin case with partitions is very convenient. 3. Disinfectant wet wipes. Eating while walking is one of the joys of traveling in Japan. They are handy to have because you can use them anytime if you get dirty. 4. Eco bag. Since plastic shopping bags cost extra, having one is very useful. Also, since it's hard to find trash cans in Japan, it can be used as a temporary bag for trash. 5. Folding umbrella. In June, Japan gets many sudden rains, so an umbrella is a necessity. How about buying a high-quality Japanese umbrella as a souvenir? Of course, the selection of food and snacks is also extensive. Another advantage is that you can buy many items for both travel snacks and souvenirs if you have space in your suitcase. Now that you have gathered the essentials for your trip, let me explain other reasons why coming with an empty suitcase is beneficial. The benefits are not just about Donki's wide selection. 1. Pass airport inspections with ease. Starting from 2026, carry-on weight checks have become very strict. If it is empty, you have zero stress worrying about size or weight. 2. Movement is just so easy. Because major stations in Japan are crowded, carrying heavy luggage is quite difficult. But if it's empty, you can move around lightly without that worry. 3. You can save on packing time. Reduce the time spent worrying, what should I bring, before departure to 0. Spend that time on researching Japan instead. And, above all, everything from the clothes you bought to the sundries can become souvenirs of your memories from Japan. This will be a special experience. Especially with clothing, you can procure items suited for the season, allowing you to travel in the most appropriate attire. Finally, I will introduce information on recommended stores. If you want to master Donki, please go here first. Mega Don Quijote Narimasu in Tokyo, one of the largest in the city. The same building also houses the 100-yen shop Daiso and the very popular Kura Sushi. You can spend a whole day just here. Also, in Kyoto, there is a store specialized for inbound tourists. Don Quijote Shijo Dori Store. You can buy Japanese-style souvenirs not found in other stores. And it is also recommended as a sightseeing spot. If you are coming from Osaka, please be sure to go there. Of course, there are profitable packing techniques other than Don Quijote. I explain them in detail in this video, so please check it out as well. What did you think? Whether you are worried about preparations for your first trip to Japan, or you are a repeat visitor, please have the courage to come with an empty suitcase. On your way back, please pack it full of wonderful loot and memories you found at Donki. Well then, I'll be waiting for you in Japan. Bye-bye! Earst Japan will continue bringing you the charm of Japan and the latest travel information. See you again in the next video. Bye! See you!